to play? No. What's wrong with my beautiful baby? You look so sad. The hacker will not allow that. I want you to be happy, happy, happy. So, what would make you happy? Of course, a play date with your friends. And it will be the best play date you've ever had.
Oh, no!
Yes! Everything is almost ready. Everything's not all set. What did I forget? Snacks! Of course! Silly me! I know I'll make your favorite soufflé, but it's quite difficult and requires time and lots of quiet. Not to worry. The hacker will make you the best soufflé you've ever had. Keep the Smirbles out of the Wreaker.
Will do, boss.
Any loud noise will keep my scrumptious soufflé from rising to its full glory. And we don't want that to happen, do we?
No, boss.
And don't forget a photo for BB's scrapbook.
Hacker never made me a scrapbook.
Say soufflé!
Let the playdate begin!
The soufflé batter is made. BB will love it. Now, to bake it. Careful. Careful. Oh, the most important thing now is absolute silence. So the soufflé can rise to its majestic greatness.
Dee, look! The door to the Wreaker is open.
Okay, so?
So, you heard the boss. No Smirbles allowed inside while the soufflé is souffléing.
How many went in?
I don't know, but we gotta find them before they make any noise.
How many do we need to find?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and BB makes 8. 8 Smirbles are still outside.
If only we knew how many Smirbles were here at the start, we'd know how many are missing.
Wait, we do know. They're all in this picture.
That's it, Buzzy. All we have to do is check off the 8 Smirbles we know are outside and count how many Smirbles are left.
Let's do it.
We know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 Smirbles are still outside, right?
Right, which means, what does it mean again?
It means these 1, 2, 3, 4 Smirbles are inside the Wreaker.
Come on, we gotta find them. You stay here, okay? Smirbles, where are you?
Shh! We gotta be quiet.
Right, quiet.
That doesn't sound like quiet.
Maybe it's a Smirble.
Yikes! were 4 to find. Take away this one. That leaves 3 more to find.
Yes, my souffle is rising, and all is sufficiently silent.
Three take away 1 leaves 2 more Smirbles to find.
But we've been all over, Dee Dee, and we can't find the last 2 Smirbles.
Yes. Ah, my souffle is almost ready. Just a few more seconds. Bibi is going to love this.
It's almost cooked!
Get him! Well, we found all 4 Smirbles.
And kept it quiet inside. A job well done, Mr. Buzz.
Same to you, Mr. Delete.
Snack time! Who's hungry?
Oh no! The souffle got a flat tire!
The playdate is ruined!
Not to worry, boss.
We got this!
Let's eat. Bibi is happy, and I'm happy. Thank you, Buzz. Thank you, Delete.
Yummy.